So earlier when we talked about the difference in accuracy and precision, let's summarize that. Accuracy is close to the true value and precision is close to each other. If readings are close to each other, that's precision. If readings are close to the required value or the true value, then the measurement is accurate. But accuracy and precision also can be subdivided into different categories. So let's talk about accuracy. Accuracy could be split into the bias, linearity and stability. What all are these three things? We will look at each of these. Similarly, the precision could be split into repeatability and reproducibility. We will go through each of these 5 sub items, but let's generally understand that when we talked about statistics, we looked at 2 different types of measurement. The one was the measurement of central tendency and the second was the measurement of variation. In measurement of central tendency, we talked about mean, mode, median. And when we talked about measurement of dispersion, we talked about range, standard deviation and variance. Just looking at what we looked earlier. Now look at the same thing and interpret here in terms of measurement system analysis. Accuracy is something which is close to the measurement of central tendency, whether the measurements are close to the center. And when you look at the precision, precision could be associated with the measurement of dispersion or the measurement of variation. How much variation is there? That's equivalent to the precision. So I just wanted to connect these 2 terms, accuracy and precision, with the things which we learned earlier in basic statistics, which was the measurement of central tendency and measurement of dispersion. Now coming back to our topic of the subdivision of accuracy and precision, let's start with the bias on the next slide and let's understand what bias is.